English alphabet. Small letter. Learn A, B, C, D. A for alligator. A for alligator. B for bear. B for bear. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for gorilla. G for gorilla. H for horse. H for horse. I for iguana. I for iguana. J for jaguar. J for jaguar. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nuts. N for nuts. O for octopus. O for octopus. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for coil. Q for coil. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for snake. S for snake. T for tortoise. T for tortoise. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. V for vulture. V for vulture. W for wolf. W for wolf. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Y for yak. And Z for zebra.